Hi, my name is Gary and I'm going to take you through how our Epos Now WooCommerce integration service works. So we'll just go through a few of the features first. So the main thing with our integration is that you don't need any custom development at all. We've got a WordPress plugin on the WordPress repository. It's all approved and listed on there. So all your developer has to do is install our plugin as you would any other plugin, and it works on any WordPress and WooCommerce website. So you don't need, your developer doesn't have to know the Epos Now ecosystem or APIs or anything like that. That's what our service takes care of. So once it's installed, we've got a fully managed service, which means that whenever there's any updates to WordPress or WooCommerce or Epos Now, we will keep up to date with that. We will make sure that everything keeps working, and any issues you have, you just let us know and we're on hand for support. So you can rest assured that everything will keep working, the sync keeps working, and that your workflow isn't interrupted. Also, our server handles all the heavy lifting. So any stock updates that are coming through, some may not be relevant to the location from which your WooCommerce stock is coming from. Any order processing, error handling, all of that stuff gets handled on our server. So your website, the server your website is on, doesn't have to take any of that load. And that's really important because for e-commerce websites, as you know, performance is a key factor in determining your conversion rate. So the faster it runs, the better it is. And so this is a key selling point on our integration. Right, so how does it all work? The key point again here is that we need to link products together. So each WooCommerce product needs to be linked to an Epos Now product. But you don't have to. It doesn't have to be the other way around. So Epos Now doesn't have, every product you have on Epos Now doesn't have to be listed on the website. But every WooCommerce product must be in Epos Now, because Epos Now will handle all the stock control for us. Okay, the main reason for doing it in this way is that it gives you full flexibility in how you create products on Epos Now and WooCommerce. It won't restrict what plugins you use on your website. It won't restrict the offers you can make, and there's no restrictions on how the products are set up. And this is key because if you have the products being created automatically, then there's a whole load of ways in which you can get hamstrung in terms of how you can create offers, which plugins can work with the products, which data gets overwritten and which doesn't. So this keeps it nice and clean and just allows you the maximum flexibility. Stock updates are instant. So every time you make a sale on Epos Now, you receive a purchase order in, you do a manual stock update, there's wastage, all of that gets reflected on your website immediately. And also, all WooCommerce orders get synced into Epos Now, which then means you have all your sales data in Epos Now. So you can use the inbuilt reporting to see your sales as a whole, whether it was online or in store, and you can segregate these out as well, so you can see how much was from online and how each of your stores is doing. Okay, so that brings us now to the next part of this video, which is where I'm actually going to show you how it all works. So once you're all signed up, you need to log into Slink, and you'll see a button in the top right which says Go to App. We click on that. That then takes us in here, and we then need to go into Epos Now WooCommerce and go to the product linker. So at the moment you can see we've got no products in here on Epos Now or on the WooCommerce side, and you just need to hit refresh to pull all those products in. So let's do the Epos Now ones first. We click that, and it's going to pick all those up from our test Epos Now account, and we'll go and click the refresh on WooCommerce as well, and it will go and pick those up. As you can see, we've got a list of both of them here. These lists are fully searchable, so as you search, it starts finding stuff, whether it's in the SKU or the name, it will find the product. The same on the WooCommerce side here. You can also see that we've got at the moment all these products in WooCommerce. There's no status in them, they're not linked up at all. yet. So this is the first thing we need to do. The key point here, which will make your life a lot easier, is if you use the same SKU on WooCommerce as you do on Epos now, or use the SKU in WooCommerce the same as the barcode you have in Epos now, and that then allows you to link these products very quickly. So you can see here, for example, we've got the SLN Simple 1 product, which maps to here, and we've got all of these SKUs matching our products here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to now go into the auto-link products up here, and I'm going to select, we've got several options here. You can say the WooCommerce SKU is equals to the Epos Now barcode, or the WooCommerce SKU is equals to the Epos Now SKU. So the second case is true for us, so we select that. It asks us whether we want to carry on, and we go to OK. And you can see it's gone and found that those products are all linked. And if you hover over any of this, you can see which is the linked product. So we'll save those links. So all these products are now linked. So let's create another product let's go and create on WooCommerce first. So we'll go and create a new product. Go in and let's call it test product here. Just leave everything as is here. Let's price as 1. Inventory, let's keep it here. Let's call this one link demo 1. So that's what we'll set the SKU as. Very important to take this manage stock, because otherwise WooCommerce doesn't let you manage the stock for the product. And we'll just leave the quantity as 0 at the moment. And that's about it, really. So we've set that all up. Our product is set. I'll hit publish. And now let's also create this product on Epos Now. Into the product. And go to add product. We'll call it the same thing here. We'll just put random values in there for now. And then the important bit is this SKU here. So we'll set that the same as what we set it in WooCommerce. So there we go. Set it exactly the same, and you can set it to sell until and so on. So and we'll leave the stock as it is right now, and go to add. So our product's been added. Now let's see if our product linker should now go and pick it all up. So if we refresh again, both of them, you can see our new product is in here. Right? And there it is over here. So we can again do the auto linking, or you can also manual link products if you need to. So I'll select this product here, and I will just click on link. That's linked that product, and I'll hit save. So we've got those products all linked up now. So if we now go and again look at Epos, look in here, we look at the inventory. Our inventory is still 0, but now that because the products are linked, if I add any stock on Epos Now, it should all filter through. So here's our product. Go into that product. And in stock, at the moment we've linked up the main store stock, but you can choose whichever location you want the stock to come from. So in this case, we've already set it up to link to the main store. So let's set the stock as 10. We need to give it a reason. Epos Now, set that up and hit save. So there we go. So now at the main store we've got a stock of 10. Now this should reflect through onto WooCommerce. So if we just refresh this page here, we go to the inventory, you can see it's gone to 10 directly. So it is instant. As soon as the stock update happens on Epos Now, it follows through. Okay, so The next thing to show you is if we make a sale on the Epos Now till, does that follow through? Yes, it will. Straight away, it's essentially a stock change, which again will reflect through immediately. But let's just show you how that works. So I'll log in here, let's find my product. There it is, the test product demo. Got one of those. Let's put one of those in there. Go to pay and pay cash. So that's done. Okay, so that sale's gone through. If I exit the till here, we go back in here, go and look at our product. It should have gone down to 9 now because we've made a sale. There it is, shown as 9. So this should also follow through onto WooCommerce. So I'll refresh this screen again. With the inventory, and you see it's gone down to 9. So it's pretty much instantaneous. Okay, so now let's make a sale on WooCommerce. We'll create an order. Let's add the item. There's a product. We'll add one of those in. And let's also add some shipping in there. Very cheap shipping. So there it is. We've got our order in. We just need to edit the total here. Okay, so we've got our order set up in here. So once that's all set up, we'll go to update, and our order's been created. Now you can see here it shows it's not yet been synced with Slink, it's not been sent to us yet, and it's not yet got a transaction in Epos Now. That's because it's still in the pending payment status. As soon as it goes into processing or completed, the order will get processed. So let's change that to processing. Hit update. You can see now here in the notes we've got sending order to Slink. So that will be sending. So it's still not synced, but it has the process has started. So let's refresh that. Can take a few minutes sometimes just to go through. So we'll just wait for that a second. There we go. So now it's been synced with Slink, and it tells you when it was sent to Slink. So you can see that there's still no Epos Now ID here, so the order still hasn't gone into Epos Now, but Slink has now received it and we're going to process it. Okay, so I've just refreshed the screen and you can see now that the Epos Now ID has shown up. So that means it has synced through to Epos Now, and you can see some notes there. Right, so let's go into Epos Now and check. If we go back in here, if I refresh this, it should show me 8. Yeah, there we go. So that sale's gone through. And if I then go and check against the customer, we've got a WooCommerce customer here. Let's go into the details. And you can see here that there was an order placed just now for £1.50. If I go to show items, you can see that it was a test product demo, and the shipping is in there as well. So you've got all your sales data in Epos Now as well. Okay, and that's simple as it is. Once it's all set up, it just works silently in the background and keeps everything in sync. Let's just in case you haven't linked the products up and you've made a sale on WooCommerce, it's not a problem. If the sale will still go through on WooCommerce, but you will receive an email from us to say, hey, we've got this order, but we can't sync it through because this product isn't linked. As soon as you link that product up, it will synchronize through. So we've got graceful fallbacks, error handling is taken care of, and this solution has been battle tested. It's been used for a number of years, and it's a really robust solution. So if you'd like to find out more or have a look have a personalized demo, just get in touch with us. You can email us at connect@slink.io or call us on 0121 285 2955. Thanks for taking time to watch this video, and we hope to hear from you soon.